Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for yet another video from East. So, Terrorpin is going to play in the mud because Tomley RC has got his Sherp out, one of the others has got the KongRC Sherp out, and when you've got fully amphibious vehicles, you go out and play. Before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to do the usual things, like, comment and subscribe. Right, well,
one of the trims, so one of the throttles goes before the other. So what I need to do, I've hit a trim on here, which means that it's going.
I got it high-sided.
Another little amphibious thing here as well. Right, water down here.
Yeah. Not the fastest in the water.
Yay!
So this is where I think the Sherps are going to beat me, because I'm not sure that Terrorpin discretion being the better part of valour there. Now we'll watch the big boys.
Oh no, let's give it a go. Try mine off there. You're lucky. That's the custom RC. That's the custom RC one. This is the King Kong there. Oh yeah, it's not that deep.
No, it's just deep enough that I'm not getting enough traction because I haven't got paddle tyres on. But there again, mine was £36. See, I don't know whether this has got the range to go all the way out there.
That's perfect, mate, thank you. That's fine, yeah. Cheers. What I'm going to do is I've got a little camera in my pocket. Nice one, mate. Yeah, no worries. Cheers.
Tried one for 3 years. I got it all filled with water.
Oh right, yeah. Too much. But I've got a camera in my little camera in my pocket. I'm going to put it on the back of mine. And if you follow me across.
Repeat again.
I've got a camera. I'm going to put on the back.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see.
If you follow me across,
Cool.
we'll go across with my camera on the back.
All right. Like all the way. Why not?
I don't think I've got the range to follow you, so I'll take the long route round.
And the wheels will turn in. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, I'll tell you maybe so.
Turn left now.
Turn it around and you can bring it back in. And I'll film this little bit and stick it in my video. And they bring it in a bright yellow as well.
So if you head back towards.
And if you drive it out.
Hey.
Well done, thank you. Sherp cam. With a snapper in the background.
It's so good.
One of them lost drive.
Looks like.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe just
Maybe, yeah.
Oh, I hope I caught that on camera.
Whoa, nearly went over. Yeah.
Nice recovery. It's clearing the tyres and it's going to grip.
It's a push. Yeah. I don't think I was recording any of that.
It's alright, I've got some footage I can send you.
Solid until it's not.
Yeah. Like there.
Oh, like there. Like there. Oh, don't dig. Oh.
Why is it that?
Uh-oh.
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 That could have been a
Did
mistake.
you attach a rope to that?
Throw a stick in front of it.
Throw a stick to it.
The Russians pull a trees in front.
Right. Who told me to go in there?
I said don't go in there, you said I'd got to.
Let
Try
him
to
go
get
in
a stick in
first
front of
and
wheels
see
if you
what
get any
happens.
grass. I mean
Let's not lose a Tomley in there.
obviously someone else further than that.
was here.
That's it, but
You're going to do it though.
or you might stuck in between there.
shot.
Something done that before.
What, throwing sticks at people?
No, got stuck in mud.
Alright.
Now take it on mud all the time.
I think we need to, yeah. Yeah, yes.
Put yourself in it. I don't need it.
I'm now going on a rescue mission to go and find some rope because Tomley RC has got his Sherp stuck in some really muddy stuff, so I need to go and get some rope so we can get a thing round it so that we can try and pull it out. And I think I have got some blue rope in my stuff back at the main area.
Okay.
So the guys with the waders went in and got pulled out.
Keep going that way, I think it is that way. I don't know how it manages to get big. We unfurled it all, and it's all unfurled. I don't know how it manages to get twisted up again. It works in the water now.
Yeah, less resistance in there.
But you know, you can tell them off. Makes it go slow, real.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep going the way you're going. I think that is it. Sure. Yeah, keep going. Get that.
Bobbing around in the river.
Right, I think I'm going to drive it back now.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah, it's going to get muddy on the way back as well.
Oh, yeah. Well, kind of really bad, isn't it?
Oh no, you have to say.
Kind of straight.
Mine didn't get stuck because I didn't take it in there. Right folks, I think I'm going to call that about it. We're now heading back. Next time you see this, we'll probably be in Iceland, and I need to get it cleaned up before I fly out. So, thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again next time.